Cly grabbed his juice, sipping dramatically. He said, Nick, me can't lie, me only addicted to you, but me can't stop looking. Nick leaned on the railing, arms crossed, playful smirk. She said, addicted, hummy, hope ya ready fi next move. Cly leaned forward, elbows on his knees, grinning. He said, me always ready, but me nervous when ya stare so. Nick smirked, finger on her lip, teasing. She said, nervous me na even start yet. Cly shrugged, playful. He said, me can't help it. Ya heart got me twisted. Nick stepped closer, mock serious finger wagging. She said, twisted or addicted, can't tell. Cly froze, hand on his chest, soft laugh. He said, yeah, know me addicted to ya babies, yeah me na lie. Nick softened, small smile, towel over her shoulder. She said, maybe me like it just a little. Cly leaned in, whispering, playful. He said, then me never slip unless y'all watchin'. Nick laughed, fake serious, hands on her hips. She said, me love to see ya try. Cly mock, panicked, hands up, grin on his face. He said, Nick, go slip willingly when ya watchin'. Nick teased, leaning in close, smirk on her lips. She said, yeah, better hold tight me, don't have no heart today. Both laughed, leaning on the railing with the villa glowing behind them. Cly said, guys, ya can't handle Nick. Madness, trust me barely can. If ya wanna see more Nick versus Cly vibes, make sure ya follow, subscribe, and join the NK family now.